Hey there, Liz here, head of product at Builderall. And today I'll be showing you some of our first updates of 2026. First of all, we have a really interesting update, which is in regards to the supercharged bundle. So if you already have the bundle plan, you know that the bundle has access to some of these tools: the social proof tool, the browser notifications tool, live chat, pop-up, and comment autoresponder. However, bundle users could not access one of our most important and popular tools, which is the website builder. Well, now you can access the website builder with the bundle plan. All you have to do is log into your bundle account, and if it's the first time you're logging in, you'll probably see a website, and this is a default website we have in there for external pop-ups. So all of those pop-ups that you had created previously, before this update, they'll be located here. This website, it's not editable, but you can create a brand new website. So you can just click on new website, and then you can choose from some of our regular or premium templates and generate your website. You can use AI to generate your website if you want, or you can simply skip it. And then your website will be created. And yeah, that's what you can do with the bundle now. You can actually create and added websites. Another one of our updates for this year, and it's one that we know our customers requested a lot. We have a really great element, which is the gallery element. So let me find it here for us. Right there. So let me drop the gallery element on another page. Let's drop it here. All right, I'm here and I'll drop the gallery element on the editor, and I'll select the add image option. And this feature was already great. However, you could only select one image per at a time on the gallery element and apply it. Now you can actually select multiple images and apply them to the gallery element. So yeah, that's basically it. And we can preview it here as well and see if the images were applied. And there they are. Oh, that's a meme. Right. So these are some of our updates. We're constantly updating all of our tools, but these are the updates that are more client centered for January 2026. So thank you, and let's keep on building, builders.